Alright. March 9th, 2009. We're gonna give it a try.
This is a huge spoon. We need a smaller spoon. Do you want me to get it? Okay, I need to. Can you stop? Please? This spoon. Here you go. Is that good stuff? Mmm. Delish.
Can you close the curtain?
Delish. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Did you even eat what's in there? Not so sure you like it, huh?
Hey Noah, can you say hi?
Hi.
Who's that over there eating? Is that Kale eating?
No, it's
No, Kale's 5 months and 1 day old.
He's doing great.
Whatever. It's all just sitting in there. I don't think he's swallowed it. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Noah, Daddy will show you the picture when he's done, okay? Is that good? Silly Noah. That one I think you swallowed, because your finger was in there too. Yeah. We love rice, don't we? Yeah. Rice cereal.
Alright, Kale. Say bye-bye. Last bite.
Ow.
Noah, say bye-bye.